The TachoSAFE RDU can also be installed directly to the back of the tachograph. Let's walk through the steps for a successful installation. Before starting, check your country's regulations to see if installation requires certification by an authorized tachograph service. If authorization is needed, schedule an appointment with a certified service. Now, remove the tachograph to access the back of the unit. Connect the red plug to the CAN C port and optionally the brown plug to the D port. Next, connect the positive and negative cables to the CAN A port and then attach the antenna cable to the RDU. Check if the LED turns green. If not, use the blink code to troubleshoot. Now download the TachoSAFE RDU Manager software and assign the company card using the smart card reader or TachoSAFE card holder. With TachoSAFE RDU, remote tachograph downloads are seamless and efficient. No more downtime, just compliance on the go.